Now let us discuss some examples of simple stress and strain. Here we have an example. The data given are a circular rod of diameter 20 mm and 500 mm long. So length is 500 mm and diameter of rod is 20 mm. It is subjected to a tensile force of 50 kilonewton. Okay, and the modulus of elasticity E is given, which has value of 200 kilonewton per mm square. We have to find stress, strain and elongation of the bar due to applied load. Here applied load is 50 kilonewton and diameter is given, length is given, tensile force. Okay, so it is parallel to axis of the force, axis of the circular rod. So it is axial load, and there is no any other load. E is given, and this example was asked in GTU June 2012 and May 2017. Okay, let us try to solve this example. So first of all, let us draw a figure of such a rod. Circular rod is given at both end, 50 kilonewton tensile force. Let us take it as a P, force P, tensile force P. The length of this circular rod is given 500 mm, 500 mm length, and the diameter is given, D is equal to 20 mm. Okay, this is the length. Okay, now here we can find cross-sectional area. First of all, let us find cross-sectional area. Cross-sectional area will be equal to pi by 4 d square. Here d is equal to 20, so pi by 4 20 square. Hence area will be equal to pi by 4 multiplied by 20 square will be equal to 314.16. Here diameter is given in mm, so unit will be mm square. Okay, so this is the area of cross section. Now value of E is given 200 kilonewton per mm square. So let us convert it in Newton. So 200 into 10 raised to 3 Newton per mm square. Now we know that equation of stress. So first of all, stress sigma is equal to force upon area. Here we know that value of force is equal to 50 kilonewton is given, so we will convert in Newton. So 50 into 10 raised to 3, and area of cross section is equal to 314.16. so it will be equal to 50 multiplied by 1000 divided by 314.16. it will be 159.15. unit will be, the unit of stress will be, what will be the unit will be Newton per, see here the force, unit of force is Newton, area unit of area is mm square. Here we have unit. Okay, so unit will be Newton per mm square. Now we know that modulus of elasticity E is equal to stress upon strain. Okay, so stress strain ratio is modulus of elasticity, so we can find strain from this equation. Strain will be equal to stress upon modulus of elasticity. We have value of both. Okay, so we can put the value of stress here, 159.15 divided by E. The value of E is equal to 200 multiplied by 10 raised to 3. Clear? That's why we have converted here in Newton per mm square, because both should be of same unit. That's why it will be easier. Hence we can calculate epsilon strain. Strain will be equal to 159.15 divided by 200 7.95. We can write into 10 raised to minus 4, there is 10 raised to minus 4, so we can write it as 7.96 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 4. Okay, so this is the value of strain. Okay, so two values we have found out. This is the answer, this is also answer. And now we know that strain epsilon is equal to elongation upon original length. Okay, or we can say change in length divided by original length. So we can find elongation delta L by this equation. So elongation delta L will be equal to stress multiplied by length. Okay, so in this way we can find, we have both values, the value of strain 7.96 multiplied by 10 raised to 4 minus 4 into L. L is the length, length is given us 500, which is 500, so in 500, that's why elongation delta L will be equal to 7.96 multiplied by 500 multiplied by 3980 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 4, so it will become 0.398. okay, so this is also answer. Or we can find elongation from another formula also. We have the formula or equation of deformation. Also we can use, which is del L is equal to PL by AE. Okay, that is also can be used. So from that equation we can write del L. Here we can put the value P is equal to 50 kilonewton. So 50 multiplied by 10 raised to 3 multiplied by L. L is the 500 divided by A, area of cross section, which is equal to 314.16, and multiplied by E. E is the 200 multiplied by 10 raised to 3. Okay, by putting these all values we also can calculate, then it will also become 0.398. okay, and the unit will be mm. Deflection or elongation, deformation will be in mm. So these three are answer. We got the answer. Stress is equal to 159.15 Newton per mm square. Strain 7.96 into 10 raised to minus 4. See, strain, unit of strain, it is unitless quantity. Okay, so there is no any unit, because stress is equal to strain. Strain is equal to what? Strain is equal to change in length divided by original length. Meter will be cancelled. That's why it is unitless quantity. Okay, so unitless quantity. Okay, thanks.